What's up, guys? Net Flips here. I'm gonna do another video today on the unlocked chips, Rsim, Gevey Sim, whatever sim it is. They really all do the same exact thing. We've been using these sims for a lot of phones. I've sold a lot of these SIM cards, and they work on every device, iPhone 6s or newer. And we just want to do another video today for the new iOS 14 release. We have two devices here running the official release of iOS 14. I'll go ahead and show you that now. The 11 Pro is locked to Cricket Wireless, and the SE is locked to T-Mobile. I'll go ahead and prove that now. I'll go ahead and insert an AT&T SIM card into either of them so you can see. And we'll go ahead and lock both these phones just for two examples. We get the activation required screen. Go to the hello setup real quick. As you do see, it is on iOS 14. Continue. Wait for it to activate, and it is going to fail. As you can see, we get the SIM not supported error. So we'll go ahead and unlock this phone now. Very simple. Really only takes like a minute or two. You'll see in this video. We use these adhesive ones here. As you can see, they have an adhesive backing on them, so you can easily put them on the metal part of the SIM card here. And it makes it easy for the 11 Pro model. You'll see because the SIM card on certain models like the XR and the XS Mats 11s, they go the opposite way. So you'll see that in a second. Just take the adhesive off, pop it into the SIM card. It will stick to it, make it nice and easy. On the iPhone 8, SE, all those older models or older style models, the SIM card fits in nice and easy. So once you have it in there, just go ahead and insert it back into the phone. And I'll go to the hello screen again. This time you'll see a pop-up menu. So edit ICCID. We already have one in here that is valid. The ICDs have been valid for a long time now. You might still want to check the description for the latest one. Probably don't use this one because it might not be valid anymore. So let's send, and we'll go through the activation screen. And there we go. We just bypassed the activation screen. We're just going to wait a second here for service. It will pop back up. And there we go. We have full AT&T service. We'll turn off Wi-Fi. I'm not sure if this SIM card is active anymore. We'll go ahead and give it a call. So this SIM card doesn't have active service on it. Well, I'll go ahead and show you another SIM card. I'll actually use a Verizon SIM card because that is something that is currently working, and on previous versions it was not. So we can go ahead and use the same exact SIM card actually, the same exact Unlock Sim. They're really reusable as many times. Doesn't matter how many times you use them as long as you don't break them. They're not one-time use, but they do always have to stay in the phone, so they can only be used on one phone at a time. So put this on the new SIM card. This is a Verizon SIM card. Put it back into the tray. And there we go to the hello activation screen again. You're supposed to edit the ICCID, but we already have one in there that is up to date and valid still. So let's send, go through setup, let it activate. We do need a Wi-Fi. There we go. And there we go, we have activation on Verizon successfully. Skip the SIM card not supported screen. We'll go ahead and make the test call.
Welcome to Apple.
Clearly it's working. Test the internet. Fully working. So this was a T-Mobile lot device, and we are now using it on Verizon, also AT&T. Really, any carrier is working. Verizon, you will have success with on CDMA compatible devices, so check if your device is CDMA compatible. So we'll go ahead and move now on to the next phone, the 11 Pro, just to show you, because it is slightly different, just how the SIM card is inserted into the phone. So take the SIM card tray out. Okay, so as you can see on the 11 Pro model, we do have the SIM card inserted. Same Verizon SIM card. As you do see, it is swapped the opposite way and upside down of the normal older models. So the adhesive really makes it easy for the SIM card to stick onto the unlocked chip. It's important to kind of make sure it's in there because it is a little thicker than the OEM regular SIM card. So just hold it, make sure you don't have it fall apart or anything before it goes in, and then just fully insert it. We're gonna have the same exact process. Hello, activation required. We're gonna edit the ICCID. Click send. We already had a good one in there. Activate. Now we go ahead and let it activate, and this is on the 11 Pro on iOS 14. And there we go. Go ahead and turn off Wi-Fi just for a little more proof, so we can place a test call. Go ahead and call Apple real quick.
Welcome to Apple. Your call may be recorded for quality.
Let's go on the internet, go to Google. Fully working. So data, everything fully works. Like I said, we're using the Verizon SIM card unlocked with the unlocked chips we provide. Link will be in the description down below. Very simple to use, full support included if needed. I will be posting another video if you do run into the error where say you entered the ICCD wrong and you can't get the menu to pop back up. Check for the next video after this one. That video will be how to get around that error.